everybody, I'm Gracie. This is my second video. I am going to show you how to make the elegant Chevy twist. It's a very cool bracelet and I hope you guys like it. For this bracelet you will need a hook, an S-clip or a C-clip or any other kind of closure, and a loom that can be set like this. We're going to need 4 pegs to make it, just 4 pegs. And you'll need a lot of bands. I mean, a lot of bands, more than this, probably. Here, we'll take the first one, twist it like a fishtail you would normally, figure 8. Take the top of the other one, the band, twist it onto the next peg, take the other side, twist it up like this. Your your loom should look like this. Next, you'll take your next color and do the same thing. Twist it, figure 8, take the top right side, twist it up, take the top left side, twist it up. Do this again. Push it down first. Do this again. Twist it up. Twist it up. Push it down. Do this again. You will need to do this 4 times on your loom before you can start your hooking process. And now, because I have 4, I can start my hooking. Take the bottom one, pull it up on any peg, bottom one on any peg. Pull up another one on the bottom one of any peg. Pull up the other sides. Pull them up. Take another one, another band, twist it, just the same. Pull the bottom one up on all 4 sides. Once you've done this a lot of times and you have your desired wrist length that will fit around your wrist, I will show you how to hook it. You will need a big clip because you'll have to hold a lot of bands. Pause this video and come back when you have your desired wrist length and you are ready to clip it. Hey guys, I'm back, and as you can see, I have gotten it pretty long. This is what it looks like. So now I'm going to show you how to clip it. To start, you'll need to make sure you have 3 bands on each peg. Then, what you're going to want to do is you're going to take another band, place it on like so, like you normally would. But then, this part's a little bit different. Instead of just taking the bottom one up, you're going to take all of them up and over that one. So you can take all of them at once if you want, or you can just take one at a time. I'm going to take a few of them right now. all at once. Oh, and before you actually clip them, here's a few tips for while you're making it. Like I did here, you probably want to not go through the crack here because your bracelet's too thick. You want to pull it out through here once you have it. And also, you don't want to use limited edition bands because they'll break. So yeah, those are just a couple tips. Probably should have told you them before, but sorry about that. Okay, next what you do, you'll take your S-clip or C-clip, whatever kind of closure you have. You are going to go into the loom. Oops. You're going to take your bracelet out. Go into the loom. Well, the peg, and clip it like that, and then take it off. Then you're going to do the same thing with the rest of them. You can take it off and then clip it if it's easier for you. If it's easier to do that. And this is only when you have the right length. Don't do this any other time. It will mess up your bracelet. It's only when you're ready to close. And take the last one and clip it. If you can, it's kind of tricky. It could take you a little bit, but yeah. So. Then you'll go on the other side. There should be like 4 bands like this here that stick up. Just take one side or all of the sides and clip the other side of this S-clip or C-clip. Just take 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. I'm just going to take 1. So, after you've done all that, there's your bracelet. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.